they're arguing about, dude, I told you it was supposed to be white paint. Who told you to put rubber? I hope the audio is sufficient. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. What happened? Those guys are going on. Oh, damn. War. Nature. Oh my god, whatever. Checking this on. Uh-oh. But he has friends. So, uh-oh, but they're... Hey. Hey, what's going on here? I thought we were cool. Oh, no. The... Oh, look at that. They're going at it. They're jumping each other over some race. No, you can't intervene with that, right? Oh, that's how they sound. Okay, so it's friendly again. Oh, no, it's not. No, no, dude, no, no, no. You're gonna get Mayweather. No wonder the rooster dipped. He's like, nah, I'm not gonna. Come on, guys, come on. Let's all be friends. Let's all eat the same amount. He's like, nah, I want it all for myself, and I will challenge you. Oh, snap on that going for it again. Oh, my friend, let it go. And let it go. Uh-oh. And now there's a new competitor. And in nature, everyone knows there are no rules. It so happens to be that greed can overcome even animals. Let's ask every Republican. Uh-oh. Oh, that, yeah. But do you hear them in the left? Oh, that's it. We try to make some peace. Oh, they're saying, yo, dude, the walls weren't supposed to be white. Uh-oh, that's a problem. Oh, look at this. Oh, and he's getting... Oh, he hit him with the wing. This is my food. Uh-oh. He didn't know that he had friends flying in. Right now they are all planning. Uh-oh, dude. Oh, yeah. Y él no deja que los otros comen. Y él dice, no, esto por eso el gallo se fue, dijo, no, yo no voy a estar aquí. Pero espérale, aquí viene el amigo del otro. A ver si yo puedo por lo menos. La come on, man. Nope. Let's not go to wonton soup. So now they're deciding on which. So we just call a leaving and let all of us but then here comes in nature animals have friends and sometimes animals can get along if you have enough food.